Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto News, the crypto news channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the current state of the Bitcoin market. Then, we'll dive into some expert opinions on what we can expect from the market in 2023, including predictions from Peter Schiff and Robert Kiyosaki. We'll talk about the CryptoZoo project, Logan Paul's project, and allegations of it being a scam. Some updates about Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF. If you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel to have the latest news from crypto world. Let's start about the Bitcoin market. As we start the first week of 2023, Bitcoin has had a bit of a sluggish start, with volatility staying absent and a lack of activity from traders. After seeing yearly losses of almost 65% in 2022, it's clear that Bitcoin has had a tough year in what many are calling a classic bear market. However, for the moment, there are few predictions of a recovery. One factor to keep an eye on is the impact of economic policy on the strength of the US dollar, as well as the actions of the Federal Reserve. While we may not see any major shifts in BTC/USD in the short term, traders are remaining cautious about what lies ahead. Some have even predicted a revisit to the $12,000 support zone in terms of volume on higher time frames. In terms of macroeconomic data, we can expect to see Purchasing Managers Index and non-farm payroll data in the coming week. The trend for now is declining inflation, as indicated by CME Group's FedWatch tool, which is allowing room for risk assets to maneuver. While the Federal Reserve has yet to signal any changes to its interest rate hikes, the release of FOMC meeting minutes on January 4th will provide clear guidance on future policy. However, investor Michael Burry has warned that even with declining inflation, we can expect to see another inflation spike in the future. He suggests keeping an eye on commodity prices, as well as the potential for a rise in the 10-year Treasury yield. In the meantime, it's important to keep a close eye on any developments in the US-China trade war, as well as the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on the global economy. And finally, this week we also saw the launch of a new Bitcoin mining pool from Blockstream, which aims to offer a more decentralized mining solution. With a focus on sustainability and the use of renewable energy sources, it will be interesting to see how this new pool impacts the mining landscape. We have some bleak news to share today, as economist Peter Schiff has predicted that 2023 will be an even worse year for the crypto market than 2022. Despite a decline of 65% in Bitcoin's value this year, many investors remain hopeful that the cryptocurrency will reach new all-time highs. However, Schiff believes that values will fall much more dramatically in the coming year, possibly even dropping below $5,000. As a vocal critic of cryptocurrencies, Schiff has consistently advised against investing in Bitcoin and other digital assets. In a recent interview, he urged investors to liquidate their holdings and invest in physical gold before they lose all their money, which he believes is imminent. Schiff has also mocked Bitcoin advocate Michael Saylor and his company, MicroStrategy, stating that their obsession with Bitcoin will ultimately lead to the company's shareholders holding Saylor responsible for its actions. The stock of MicroStrategy is currently down 90% from its all-time high in February 2021. It's important to note that Schiff's views on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are not universally shared, and it's always a good idea to do your own research before making any investment decisions. However, his warning is certainly something to consider as we move into the new year. In addition to the news we've already discussed about the potential for a rough year for the crypto market, it's worth mentioning that Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki is still bullish on Bitcoin. Despite previously predicting that the price of Bitcoin would reach $1,000, Kiyosaki has continued to invest in BTC at current levels, viewing it as a commodity like gold, silver, and oil. However, Kiyosaki has a much more negative outlook on other cryptocurrencies, which he expects to be heavily regulated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. In terms of his overall predictions for 2023, Kiyosaki warns that it will be another roller coaster year, with the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy of raising interest rates leading to the collapse of sectors like real estate and a drop in personal income. He advises readers to be smart and informed in order to come out ahead in these uncertain times. It's always important to do your own research and consider multiple perspectives before making any investment decisions. So, stay tuned for more updates on the world of cryptocurrency as we move into the new year. Let's talk now about Sam Bankman-Fried, the former CEO and founder of crypto exchange FTX. According to reports, Bankman-Fried recently acquired $2 million worth of the cryptocurrency Radium. However, there's a catch. The white paper for Radium stated that the investor tokens should be locked for 1 to 3 years. This has led to some controversy, as Bankman-Fried allegedly sold $80K worth of Radium and transferred $1 million worth to FTX on the same day he acquired it. This has led some to question whether there was some sort of insider knowledge at play. Additionally, there are allegations that Bankman-Fried withdrew the remainder of Radium from the liquidity pools at the absolute top, netting a few million in ETH. It's worth noting that Radium recently suffered a liquidity pool exploit in December, with $2 million in financing being undermined due to the attack. There are also connections between FTX and Radium, as FTX was involved in the development of the Solana-based protocol for Radium. Overall, this news has caused some concern in the cryptocurrency community, as it raises questions about insider trading and potential security breaches. We'll be sure to keep you updated as more information becomes available. We're now discussing the ongoing drama between YouTuber and crypto developer Logan Paul and CoffeeZilla, Stephen Fine-Diason, over allegations that Paul's CryptoZoo project is a scam. For those who aren't familiar, CryptoZoo is a Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Play to Earn, P2E, NFT project that allows users to collect, trade, and breed virtual animals to earn $ZOO tokens. The non-fungibles are currently available on OpenSea, with a starting price of 0.285 ETH, around $340. CoffeeZilla has released several videos investigating the project, including background checks on key players and alleged testimony from investors about a lack of progress in releasing a finished product. He has also claimed that Paul did not pay developers and that the lead developer, Eddie Ibanez, lied about his credentials. In response, Paul has stated that he plans to address the allegations on his YouTube channel, but CoffeeZilla claims that Paul did not provide contact information to confirm his attendance on the show. The two seem to be at an impasse, with each side accusing the other of not being willing to discuss the issue. It's always important to do your own research and consider multiple perspectives before investing in any cryptocurrency project. While we don't have all the details on this particular situation, it's always a good idea to be cautious and stay informed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency updates.